Hey guys, I'm Shashir from ElbaTec again with another video here. So in this video, let's see how to boost your phone speaker for almost 200%. That's the double of your current sound of your speaker. So let's get started. First go to the Play Store and type in Speaker Boost Volume Booster in the search box. Download and install the Speaker Boost Volume Booster in your phones. Once installed, open the app. The app interface looks like this. And then go to settings and set the maximum allowed boost. You can set the boost up to 100%. That will increase the sound of your phone to 200%. As mentioned here, I would not recommend you to set above 40% of the boost level because that might damage the speaker, as well as if you are using a headphone, it would damage your ear. The best option for boost level is 20%. That's what I use. Once you're done listening, you can go and click on the option in the notification bar to disable the app. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to ElbaTec and enable the notification bell button. I'll talk to you guys next one.